Hello and welcome to Shuup video tutorial. In this video, we will talk about how vendors can use messaging on a Shuup-powered marketplace. As a vendor, you understand the importance of having a reliable means of communication with your customers and marketplace admins. You should be able to reply to any queries your customers might have regarding your products or services. Prompt, detailed, and polite responses will help you grow your business, gain customer loyalty, and grow your authority. You want your customers to trust you and make sure that should they ever have any issues with your products or services, they can always get in touch with you and resolve the issue. On the other hand, you might experience some issues with the marketplace, and for that, you need to be able to message the marketplace admins directly. Let's go to our dashboard. From here, we go to Messages. Here you can see all messages received or sent. Click on a new message and let's message an admin. And this is how you use messages to correspond with marketplace admins and your customers. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information, you can contact us at contact@shuup.com. If you're an existing customer, reach out to your project manager. Visit our website shuup.com or find us on social media. Check out our social media links in the description of the video below.